If you're a new YouTuber and you are less than 1,000 subscribers, just come close. Getting your 1,000 subscribers shouldn't be a problem. What I want to tell you now, assuming that someone told me before when I started newly, I could have gotten my 1,000 subscribers in days. Like, it's not take me much because it takes months for me to get my 1,000 subscribers. Now I know this, I'm here to share with you the easiest way you can get your 1,000 subscribers. Hi guys, it's Becky here. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you ways you can get your 1,000 subscribers in days. Let me tell you something. You know, this YouTube street, there are two types of people. Some people are here to watch your video based on the subscribers you have, and some people are here to watch your video based on the views you have. Like, some people will just see your video when you did not have any subscriber or when you did not have any view. Upon you are talking sense, what you are saying is making sense, but due to you do not have any view or you do not have any subscriber, they will just click past it. And that is the truth. So you need to get your 1,000 subscribers. This used to encourage people to watch your videos. Let me tell you, if you are here and you're a new YouTuber, just stick around, just watch this video till the end. If you do exactly what I told you, what I'm telling you now, you will get your 1,000 subscribers in days. And I mean it. I'm not here to deceive you. I'm not here to just to talk for talking sake or just to make you watch my video. No, I'm just telling you the real thing. If you do this thing I'm about to tell you and do it very well, in days you will get your 1,000 subscribers. I'm not talking just to deceive you. I'm talking with experience. Anything I'm saying in this page, I'm just saying it with experience. I have experienced it. That's why I'm talking about it. I cannot come here to deceive you. We know that we are here to make money, but in the process of making money, I don't want to deceive anybody. I just want to carry you people along as my subscribers. So if you are new here, just watch this video till the end, because after watching this video, you will get your 1,000 subscribers ASAP. Like, you will not believe it. You will not just believe it, but just do exactly what I told you. I'll be giving tutorial on how to do it. And this 1,000 subscribers, we are getting it through short, showing you how you can post your short and make your 1,000 subscribers in days. Like me, I got 500 subscribers in just one video. Like, in just one video. So you too can do the same. Follow these steps that I'm going to show you, so you will get your 1,000 subscribers and start searching for your 4,000 views. Try and watch this video till the end, because I'm going to show you where you get your short, how you can edit it, post it, and gain a lot of subscribers. So guys, this is all I have for today. If these tips helps you, please subscribe, click the notification button to be notified anytime I post a new video. To my returning subscribers, thanks for always supporting your girl. I appreciate. Bye. See you in my next video.
Before we go into the tutorial, let me say this. If you are done getting your 1,000 subscribers, please delete those videos. Try and delete those videos. You just need only 1,000 subscribers. If you get it, just delete those videos so that YouTube will not strike you with copyright during monetization. After that, try and start creating your own content and start posting back to back, so YouTube will start recommending your video, so you start getting your views and you can still go live stream. For the tutorial, we'll be using Instagram videos. You can use TikTok, YouTube, or any other site that has funny videos. I advise to always use funny videos instead of food or just normal video. Just check videos that has a lot of likes and views and use it. As you can see, I used this video and it gave me a lot of subscribers. So after that, go to Instagram, look for the video, download it, copy the link, and go to any browser of your choice. I'm using Chrome. So if you reach there, type in download Instagram videos and they will give you a space that you put in the link. Just put in the link, download the video. So after downloading the video, what you have to do next is to go to CapCut, import the video that you downloaded, click on new project, import the video and start editing. If you know what you do to that video to be different from the original video, just do it to it. Like, the first thing I did was to change the sound. Like, I put laugh sound, let it be a difference let it be a difference between the original sound and the one I'm doing. So after that, I changed I put in write-ups. Like here I write laugh with me and place it there, so there will be a difference. Like any changes that you make, let there be a difference between the original video and yours. Then after making changes on it, then you download your video and head over to YouTube Studio to upload it. YouTube Studio, make sure you put in your title, your tags, your hashtags. What I did on this video now, I wrote laugh with me as the title, and in hashtags I put funny video, a YouTube short. So in tags, after uploading the video and you want to edit it, if you click on edit, go to tags and write angel comedy, like all the types of comedy you know, put it as tag. And always remember to change your category. Put in entertainment. Put it in entertainment, not how to, so that YouTube will know where they will post your video. So post this video and you will gain a lot of subscribers. Post 2, 3, or for any amount that you can be able to post. The amount you post determines the amount of subscribers you will get. Just do this and thank me later. So this is all I have to say on this. Please try and delete it after posting, after getting your 1,000 subscribers. Please don't get more than 1,000 subscribers from short. After getting it, you delete all of them so you can start getting your views. You know that your views, your short views, your short 1 hour watch hour doesn't count. So if you get your 1,000 subscribers, just delete the video and start posting back to back, so YouTube will start recommending your videos to people that needs it. So that is it. Please like, subscribe, and drop your question. I'm willing to answer you. Bye.